Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate NDVI using a MODIS instrument, data from MODIS. So I've shown you this in the previous lectures, but you can execute these parts of the code to install Earth Engine Python API and authenticate. But I've already done that. I don't necessarily to do that, but most importantly, you need to install the Folium and G-Hydro, libraries. And as always, I'll include the Folium maps map library to display my map canvas here. So most important thing here is we need to import the Okay, so the most important thing here is to import countries database by using feature collection here. This is the world countries administrative boundary or international boundary, and I'll choose one country here, in this case Ethiopia. I'll filter that by country name, and most important thing here is I'll load a MODIS image here, in this case 2012 for year 2012. And in the previous lecture, we have seen how to calculate NDVI using a Landsat satellite data. In this case, I'll show you how to calculate NDVI using a MODIS instrument. So in this case, I'll call this image MODIS image and call dot normalized difference Earth Engine built-in function. And I'll provide the different bands here. In this case, I'll provide surface reflectance band 2 and surface reflectance band 1. So this will calculate, for me, this will calculate the NDVI values. And the next thing is I need to define some color parameter here, more green color showing high vegetation and yellow color low vegetation, okay? And the last thing is to display that NDVI, MODIS NDVI, which I calculated, and clip it by a steady area, in this case Ethiopia. So instead of having a global level map, I'll have only NDVI data over Ethiopia. And I'll define some visualization parameter here and then call it NDVI. And let me execute this part of the script. Invalid syntax. What is invalid syntax? Okay, so I need to clean some parameters here because it's a Python API. It doesn't understand variables, so I'll save these and execute again. It should work now, I guess. Excellent. So it's working, and finally let's display our NDVI using a MODIS instrument, right, for Ethiopia. Here you go. Excellent. So now what we've done is, this is country's boundary for Ethiopia. What we've done is using a MODIS imagery and band surface reflectance band 2 and band 1 of MODIS surface reflectance data. We used the Earth Engine built-in library and computed NDVI for Ethiopia. So as you can see, deep green and green area are mostly vegetated covers, and yellow and brown yellowish area are areas with low vegetation cover and things like that. So this is how you can implement the Earth Engine built-in NDVI function using Python API.